Yo, what's up? We're at AHR 2020 with my boy Mitch at the RIDGID booth, and we're going to be talking about one of my favorite pressing tools. I actually don't own this one, but what I'm saying is my favorite part about it is the pistol grip action. That is my jam.
Right.
So this is the new RP 350, and what is this thing going to do for our users?
Well, there's a few new features on this. Well, first of all, it is Bluetooth compatible. So like the 240, 241, it's got Bluetooth on it. We've got a new motor in this, so it is a brushless motor that does not require service.
That's pretty cool.
So you will not need to take this for scheduled maintenance. It's going to just keep on pressing. Move the handle forward a little bit to give it better balance. It does have an endless swiveling head. So for tight access, we've got no stop here.
Honestly,
right?
I was not expecting that.
Right? I don't get to surprise you often.
I would not expect that because every pressing tool on the market stops at some point.
Right.
So I like that feature. That's pretty cool because there's been circumstances where I didn't want to have to undo my jaws from the fitting and then reset it to where I have to, So that's a perfect feature for this new addition to the RIDGID family. Yeah. And so what kind of battery life do we get with this tool?
Well, yeah, depending on what you're pressing, you should get somewhere between 150 and 170 presses per charge. The brushless motor does get you some more efficiency as well as the battery. So we've got a new battery platform that we're coming out with. This is 2.5 amp hours, and we've got a 5 amp hour battery as well. So they give you twice as many. So you get efficiencies from both of those with the tool.
Okay, so with that being said, does our Bluetooth connectivity tell us our battery life?
Yes. So yeah, the Bluetooth will tell you your battery life, how many cycles you've pressed. Since we don't have scheduled maintenance, you don't have to worry about that anymore. But it'll tell you last used location, that kind of stuff.
So I'm going to ask a question on camera that I already know the answer to, but a lot of people want this feature. Are you guys ever going to come out with a way we can lock this tool when we are not using it?
Yeah, we are working on that as a future enhancement to the tool. So,
because let's face it, this is an expensive piece of equipment. I don't call this a tool. This is a piece of equipment. We don't want it walking away, and if it does, we want to make sure that we are locking this thing down so no one else can ever reap the benefits of the money that we have spent and invested into it. So I'm looking forward to that.
Completely understood. Yeah,
but
love to do it.
Super cool with the, what do you call this, a 360 head or?
Continuous swivel.
Continuous swivel head. That's a really cool, awesome feature. New feature for RIDGID, right? No other pressing tools have that. Stay tuned for the latest and greatest from RIDGID Tools. And we're here with my boy Mitch. Stay tuned for the wet show.
Awesome.